Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1986 Chevy K10. Now if you got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. Now as you look across the front, you'll notice the front bumper has been replaced, and then we do have the bumper guards. You'll notice that the grille appears to be original and is in great condition. Now it'll also give you the opportunity to look down the driver's side, and you can see that these body lines flow beautifully here from the front all the way to the rear. As you come on around the driver's side, you'll notice your gaps here at the door, even in symmetrical. You'll also notice that it appears to have all the original stainless down the side and that it's in great condition. But before we go on around, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look on the inside. Here on the interior, it appears to be original. Looking at the dash, you can see that it has been well taken care of and it's showing just over 79,000 original miles on it. It does have the tilt wheel, and this truck does come with AC that blows ice cold. It's also got the working Alpine radio, and as we come on around, you can see the door panels are in excellent condition, along with the seat cover, which appears to be original as well. You'll also notice that it's got the rear window that does slide open, and as you take a look at the headliner, you can see that it's in great condition also. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside. You can see how excellent that door shuts and fits. Now as you make your way across the back, you'll notice the rear taillights have been replaced, but you can see that this stainless on the tailgate looks to be original and is in excellent condition along with the rear bumper. We'll also take a look inside the bed, and you can see that everything in here is rock solid and in great condition as well. As you come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. As you can see, all of your gaps on this side are even and symmetrical as well, and that all the stainless looks beautiful on this truck also. Now the stance is set off by the factory style 15-inch wheels. Now as you can see, this body is covered in black, which has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine and really shows off how straight this body is. Come on up and we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. As you can see under the hood, everything is in great condition. You'll notice that we do have the factory AC. Now the engine in this truck has been upgraded to a 350 crate motor. Now it's dressed with the factory style intake and the quadrajet carburetor. Of course, it's got power steering along with power brakes, and we've got disc on the front. Now for exhaust, it's got manifolds with the dual pipes and the stock style turbo mufflers. You'll also notice that it's even still got the jack here on the inner fender. Now when we get this truck up in the air, you'll notice that the frame is in phenomenal condition along with all of the pans, which appears to be original. Now this 350 engine is mated to the 700R trans, and this truck is four-wheel drive. Now when we get it up in the air, take a close look at it, you'll notice that the frame is in phenomenal condition along with all of the floor pans, which appear to be original. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this K10, we'll get it put on the highway so that way you can see it on the road. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this 86 out on the highway for you.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.